Hey everybody, this is Alex from Dragon Impact, and today I am showing off the G&G UMG, the Uber machine gun. Today's date is October 21st at 3:47 p.m. and I'll give you a nice little close-up look of the gun here. So a railing there, these two holes here and on this side here go along with those two extra rails. So you can have rails top side, underneath, and either side here. Slide action, single shot, burst shot, your mag release, and then folding stock. Push there, folds in, lift, and lock. To unlock, pull out, lift, and snap. And there we go. And then the magazine, nice straight looking magazine there. Wind up bottom. That's her there. Alright, I'll just slap the battery in here. This is one of the few guns that we sell that don't come with the battery here. Or the charger. I can throw in a basic one, but the basic ones don't really fit in this guy. So what we'll do now is I'll do a couple shots here on some milk cartons. Alright, got it set up. That's what she looks like with the mag in. And let's go shoot some targets here. There we go. That is the G&G Uber machine gun. Available at Dragon Impact.